Hey, it's Derek with Modern Sales. And again, I want to thank you for watching my course and really taking the time to improve your skill sets so you can end up making the kind of money you want to make in your career. You know, I spoke a lot about different videos that I have that I've created to help you along your sales path. And just really quick, just to go through them, I've got understanding why some customers buy and others don't. That is the beginning of all the skill sets because it's something that you got to frame your mind on how to go out there and get people interested in your products. I've got a course on delivering value propositions. That's incredibly important on how to get a customer interested in your products or services. I've got a course on research and creating a list that I talked about a lot in this video. Prospecting on foot, prospecting over the phone, the first appointment. I do that with 10 tips that can help you be successful there. The next step. I have a course where I talk about how to improve that. The proposal. I got tips there to help you as well. Objections, negotiating, closing, and ultimately I've got something on mindset because being able to control your thoughts and control how you treat every single day is something that every salesperson needs to go to and focus on as a daily thing. So as a gift to you, I'm actually gonna give you a code that you can use to get any of my courses for $10. So whatever it is, whatever special is going on out there, doesn't matter. Use this course for any of my videos that I have out, and you'll get that as a thank you from me to you. And again, let me know how your sales career is going. I'm always happy to help if you have any questions. Have a great day.